Ever wonder, why do we yawn? For years, scientists thought yawning was all about getting more oxygen to the brain. But now, many believe yawning actually cools down the brain, like a built-in air conditioner. And here's the crazy part, yawns are contagious. Seeing or even thinking about yawning can trigger one. It's not just humans, dogs, chimps, and even lions yawn too. We yawn when we're tired, bored, or even stressed. It's the body's way of staying alert. So next time you yawn, remember, your brain just wants to chill. If this made you yawn, you owe me a subscribe.